All right, we're recording the sewer line from at 3239 35th West. The date is November 29th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the roof vent of the home. We're going to make this first section of the recording from the roof vent. We're going to make the second section from the clean out at the corner of the house. I wanted to get the entire line scoped in this as part of this video, so we are going to start from here and work our way out. What you're looking at there is the shared section of the line between 3239 and 3243. 35th West, that's where the two lines come together. I'm going to pull back from this point. I've got the footage zeroed out. We are coming back into a 4-inch diameter section of original concrete sewer line. So this is right at the corner of the house. I'm actually going to pause and locate this spot real quick here so we know where we're at. All right, I'm locating about 6 feet deep right around the corner near the fence. Come back here into PVC. So this is the section of plumbing of piping where I'm going to make the remainder of this recording from. You're going to see a connection point on the top side of the pipe there, another one on the left side of the pipe. One of those is going to be my clean out to record the entire shared section of the sewer line. But right now we're in 3239's personal line, and we're going to come back from here into a section of original concrete. I'm going to pause again and try to get a locate on where this is. Okay, I've got that located. It's actually running underneath the addition. So we are in the back of the house. Sewer line is running underneath the addition. There's a small worn section of the concrete there at that lip. This concrete along the bottom of the pipe has definitely seen better days. And that's all running underneath the foundation, like I said, or underneath the addition to the home. Come back here around a turn. So there's a small section of original concrete. Oh, there's another section of concrete, original concrete piping. There is a tie-in connection point to the top of the pipe there. And then back into the cast iron piping here. Cast iron piping is in pretty good shape. We're going to come up the vertical right.